students, back with your maths class. As we have completed chapter 1 to 4, I will be completing today a very small chapter, that is symmetry, chapter number 13. You have learned about it in previous class, that is class 5th. So it is just an refreshment. Many of the questions of the given in the exercise you can do it in textbook itself. So from next week we will start new lesson, that is understanding elementary shapes. Right? Now what is symmetry actually? Symmetry means allowing an object to be divided into two equal parts such that one part coincides with other. You know, when two equal parts coincides with each other, then it is called symmetry. जब आप कोई भी पार्ट को दो इक्वल हाफ में डिवाइड करके कर देते हो और जिस तरह सच दैट one half is exactly equal to other, that is called as symmetry, right? So you know everything now. Now line of symmetry, what is that? Line of symmetry means if a line divides a given figure into two identical halves such that given figure is symmetrical about that line. So you have learned how to recognize the line of symmetry. Suppose this is the figure. You have to find line of symmetry so that it divides ऐसी लाइन जो दो हाफ में इक्वली डिवाइड करता हो फिगर को और अगर फोल्ड करे तो वो पूरी तरह मैच करता हो. So here line of symmetry will be vertical such that if you fold about this line, they both parts will get matched. Second will be this. So if you fold like this again these two halves will coincide to each other, and third will be this. So I have given some examples. You know how to draw the line of symmetry even if the alphabet is given or any shape is given, for example. You have to recognize the line of symmetries. This exercise is only given in this chapter. So I will be going very fast. We have done in class 5th. So how to find the line of symmetry of given figure. Right? So starting with exercise 13.1, question 1. So list any 4 symmetrical objects from your home or school. Symmetrical object means they should coincide with each other. So I have taken blackboard, duster, door, window. You can take many things. You can take your pencil box. Yes. Now these are the 4 examples I have written. Then for the given figure, which one is the line? Mirror line. Mirror line means line of symmetry. They should match each other. L1 or L2. L1 अगर रहेगा तो हॉरिजॉन्टल है तो ऐसा फोल्ड करोगे तो मैच होगा नहीं. What will be the line of symmetry then? L2. So you have to just write, you can write in textbook, L2 is the mirror line or line of symmetry. Right? Now question 3 and question 4. Question 4 you can do it. Here it is written, copy the following on square paper. A square paper that you have used in your arithmetic book and complete such that dotted line is the line of symmetry. So this also you can do it textbooks. This question 3 and 4 you can do it in textbook itself. Right? So I will be explaining that also.
Yes students, as we have completed now exercise 3.1 question 1, question 2. Now question 3 it is very easy. We have to identify the shapes given below. Click whether they are symmetrical or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. So if they are symmetrical, you have to draw the line of symmetry. So this question you have to do in textbook itself. There is nothing much more. So this you have studied in class 5th also. So first is lock. It is symmetrical. The line of symmetry is shown. It is vertical. Then B, vertical line of symmetry. C, not symmetrical. D, it is telephone. So everywhere D, E, F I have drawn line of symmetry. E, it is horizontal. F, it is vertical. Now question 4th, it is told to copy the following on the a squared paper. A square paper is what you have used in your arithmetic notebook or in earlier classes. Then complete such that dotted line is the line of symmetry. So no need to have another squared paper. For this you can do this in your textbook itself. I have drawn this A B C D E. You can also try this. It's very simple. Only you have to count the squares and draw it as accordingly. So I have drawn A B C D E F. You can draw it. Question 5th is very simple. This is homework and you can do it. In this, L is the symmetry. Complete the diagram, make it symmetry. So this another line will come this side and line same structure will come on the left side. So this also you can do it in textbook itself, right? 13.2, find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shapes. Same thing you have to do in it your notebook only. First figure is having 4 line of symmetry. I have drawn it. B is also having 4. C it is having 4. D is 1. E it is 6. F it is 4. G it is 0. H is also 0. G and H there can be no line of symmetry. They cannot coincide with each other. I it is 3. Question second is copy the triangle on squared paper and draw and identify. So no need to do this. I am omitting this question. This such type of question is given in next exercise. So question 2, do not do it in textbook as well as notebook. Right?
Exercise 13.2. As many of the questions are related with the line of symmetry, you have done in textbook here itself. You have to do it in textbook. This question you have to do it in your notebook. So here complete the following table. Here shapes are given. You have to write or draw a rough figure, and from that you have to find the number of lines of symmetry. The first is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Whose all sides are equal. So how many line of symmetry it will have? This is 1, 2 and 3. 3 number of line of symmetry. Then is square. Square means all sides are equal. So how many line of symmetry? 4. Right? Then is rectangle. Rectangle means two opposite sides are equal. So here there are 2 line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means only 2 sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal. That is isosceles triangle. So line of symmetry will be this only 1. Then is rhombus. Rhombus is a type of quadrilateral. It is same as square. Square का एक property same है. That is all the sides are equal as same as square. But these are not 90 degree. So that is rhombus. So these angles, all angles are not 90 degree. It can be like this also. So I have drawn this vertically. So number of line of symmetry will be 2. Then is circle. Circle there can be many line of symmetries. So it is countless. Right? Now question 4. This question I think you have done in class 5th also. Can you draw a triangle which has exactly one line of symmetry? Exactly one line of symmetry, that is isosceles triangle. If you draw, isosceles means 2 sides are equal. If you draw one center line and fold it, it will coincide. So there will be only one line of symmetry. Second, exactly 2 lines of symmetry. That triangle you have to draw. So that there is no such triangle which have 2 lines of symmetry. Exactly 3 lines of symmetry. That is which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Then D is no line of symmetry. Scalar means scalar triangle. Scalar triangles means whose all the 3 sides are not equal. So as 3 sides are not equal, there will be no line of symmetry. right? So this question 3 and 4 you have to do it in your notebook with this rough figures, everything. Question 5, it is given on a squared paper. Squared means graph paper. Sketch the following. So no need to sketch it on a squared paper. You can draw a rough figure also like this. Yes. So no need to do on a graph paper or a squared paper. You can do it in your notebook itself. Draw as a rough figure. Okay. Now it is told a triangle with, you have to draw a triangle with horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So here I have drawn the figure already. If you draw such figure, horizontal line is there but vertical is not there, right? Second, a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what we have learned, a closed figure with four sides. It should have quadri means four. So with both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. So I have taken an example of rectangle. It can be square also. So I have in square you will have one more diagonally line of symmetry. But they want only two line of symmetry, horizontal and vertical. So this comes out to be figure of rectangle where you have horizontal as well as vertical, right? Then is a quadrilateral with horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical. Quadrilateral, so I have taken it like this. If you fold it like this part will coincide. So this quadrilateral is having horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. Then is D, a hexagon with exactly two lines of symmetry. Hexagon means what? Having 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this all sides are not equal here, right? So this is having only two line of symmetry in this. Now E is a symmetry, a hexagon having 4 with 6 lines of symmetry. So here all the sides are equal, right? So as all sides are equal, you can see this can be line of symmetry, vertical in between this and this and this. So this is a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. So here just we have to do this. Here it can be, okay, so this is question 5. Now rest of the things you can enjoy it and do it in your textbook itself. Okay, thank you.
Now, in the last exercise 313.2, we have completed third, fourth, and fifth. Sixth, again the same thing. Draw the line of symmetry. You have to draw it here. If you check it, first figure there is no line of symmetry. B, it is two line of symmetry. C and D, I have drawn how many line of symmetries it can be. D, it is 2. E 1. F, it is 4. Right? So these are the line of symmetries. Now question 7. Consider the letters of alphabets A to Z. List among them the letters which have vertical line of symmetry. So that letters also I have written AHIMOTUVWXY. Horizontal line of symmetry I have written BCDEH JKOX. No line of symmetry also I have written it. Which alphabet can have no line of symmetry? Question 8 is an activity type, so you need not do that question also. Now here the 13.3 is reflection symmetry. Same as you have to find in this same thing 13.3 question 1 you have to do in textbook itself. You have to find the line of symmetry. Similarly, I have done for A, B and C. How many are the possible line of symmetries? Here for 4A it is 4, B 1, C 2. D it is 2, E it is 1, F it is 2. So I have drawn the line of symmetries here also. Same one is continued here. These all things you have to do it in textbook itself. Question 2, copy the following drawing on square paper. Complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has two dotted lines as two lines of symmetry. So this figure I have completed with the black pen. You have to count the number of squares and draw the figure such that it is symmetrical about these two line of symmetries. Question 3, you don't have to do it. It is a activity type. So I am ending up to question 2 only. Thank you.